MissCarly. So today we're gonna get inspired by this brown ombre wig right here. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So this wig is from Kalyss right here. So exciting. I absolutely love all of their wigs. They have wigs that I honestly have never seen before, like very natural colors, and just the styles are just really cool. So let's just get into what I feel this wig is going to give, like a very lioness mane kind of look. So she does come in several colors, but I do have her in this brown ombre. So look at this, how gorgeous she is. So really pretty. I love that she has like this kind of fun dimensional middle part, so that'll look really fun when it's on. And then of course she does have a really pretty, gorgeous, and I don't know if you can tell right here, but she actually has 3 tones. I'm just finding this out right now as I'm looking. So she has this darker brown or like medium brown, and then right here like a lighter brown, and then of course the lighter brown right here. I don't know if you can see that, but that is amazing. I love when wigs have multi-dimensional colors. It just makes it look a little bit more natural than a straight color. So this is really fun. And also this wig, she's a long one. She's 28 inches. So wow, look at that. So she does have a little bit, you know, of that V bottom. So she does have some nice layers as well in here. She does not feel like aggressively heavy. She does feel like a nicely, of course she's a little heavy because she's a little bit longer, but other than that she's actually very light feeling as I'm holding her up. I'm really excited to kind of like lightly brush out these curls. The first thing I noticed when I opened her was this really awesome silk top that you have here, which is not typical for an Amazon wig, which is really nice. And then also just for more of the construction, she does have 2 combs right here. She does have 1 comb in the back as well. She does have a medium-sized wig cap, so if you require a large head friendly, this should work for you by stretching it on. And then as for the actual lace, she does have medium tone lace here. She does have some lightly cut baby hairs in the front. I don't know if you can see that, but they are there. And then something I'd like to really showcase with the parting in the top is that she does have multi-dimensional colors of the hairs, which is really pretty. Again, I love when wigs have that because it just looks so incredibly natural. So let's put this girl on. So when your wig arrives, she does come with 2 wig caps, so you are ready to go as soon as she arrives. But I'll be using a nude wig cap that I got from Amazon. I got a 10 pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. And wow, look at the volume of this wig. And of course the length, as you can see, really pretty. Of course all the hair is up in front, so it is a lot of hair, people. Like if you want to be a showstopper, wear this wig. All right, so let's take a look at the hairline really quickly. So her hairline, as I can see, like isn't bad. Definitely could use a little bit more plucking, which is about normal. But not bad by any means, so pretty good. Of course, the 4-inch parting with the silk looks great. And now I'm gonna take my wig brush with the loops right here and lightly brush her out. And wow, I mean, this wig is going to stop traffic, that is for sure. Now for shedding, she actually had extremely minimal shedding considering she's such a long wig. Now let's cut off the lace and see what she's all about. And here, of course, she is all ready to go, ready to stop traffic. Like, wow, what a wig. I have never experienced such a voluminous and long wig. All right, so now with this, since she does have the silk top, we can kind of mess with her by kind of flipping her around. So let's just take her a little bit on this side and see what kind of look she's gonna give. Yeah, so this is definitely a voluminous look, no doubt, right here on this side. And as you can see, the parting looks amazing with that silk top right here. So let's change her to the other side. Again, a voluminous dream right here. Now, of course, if you ever wanted to, flatten this down a little bit, all you need to do is put a scarf around it and just apply a little bit of heat from a hair dryer and then let it sit there for maybe 10 minutes or so. But that's the way to do it. But I'm kind of loving just how huge this is. I mean, go big or go home, right? So let me know if you have this wig, or if you have this wig in another color, or if you have a favorite lioness mane wig. I would love to see you in it. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is such a great way for you to send me pictures of you and your wig life and living your best life. Because remember, life is short, wear a wig and have fun. And most importantly, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous in a gorgeously curly, voluminous wig, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you